Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today we'll be making the Banner Botanicals Kit. This stamping kit makes the perfect cards for those you love. It includes everything you need to create 9 cards and is available in English, French, and German. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or go back to any part of the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. These cards will be a meaningful surprise for my loved ones. I'm so excited about that. They're great for Valentine's Day as well. If you liked crafting with a kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!